What do you want from me? Just let me place a letter. What do you want to see? Meaning me, I don't want no. What do you want to believe? Still nothing can be settled. Or do you want you say it's no good?
Hey, what's up guys? So on my previous video, as I said, I don't know which intercooler I'm gonna buy, so maybe I will be doing other things until I decide which intercooler I will buy. So actually I will be trying to make the bash bars here, because actually here in Japan they don't really make the bash bars like the another countries, but I feel like it's really nice to have a bash bar, because when when you crash or maybe just hit the car in front of you, your car damage will be lighter. I don't know how to say, but I don't really want to break my headlights, so my intercooler as well. No, actually my intercooler will be mid mounted, so I don't think the intercooler will be able to break, but my headlights or my oil cooler. So yeah, I will be doing the bash bars for sure. So actually I've seen some people fabricating the bash bars, and actually I will be welding the plate here. I can just fabricate from here as well, but I think here is easier for me, so I will cut a piece of metal and just make this plate here, this side as well. Then I will weld some tube in here. Now I don't know how I will be doing this, but yeah, first I will just cut the metal here to make this plate here, and maybe after I cut the plate here I will weld on my chassis. So then I just cut this piece of metal. Actually it's my chassis here on the left side. Okay. So then I will weld here, and I will try to make the bash bar. But actually I need to research a little bit, because I don't know how I will make it. So yeah, so I will weld these nuts here on this side. So then I will weld the tube here. So then I will be able to remove whenever I want. So yeah, so let's see how it will come out. So yeah. And again, I can't decide which intercooler I will buy, so if you have some opinion or experience with these two intercoolers, the vibrant one or the thread stone, please just comment below here, and please help me to decide which one I will buy. I'm pretty sure I will buy the thread stone one, but I don't know yet. Yeah, so next I will be doing the bash bar things. I don't know. So then when the intercooler arrives, I will maybe drop my motor in and start to make the intercooler piping and my exhaust as well. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do, but we are getting there. So thanks for watching, and I will be appreciated if you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.